Grindstone Crabs presents Monster Jam Favorites. 3-team race. 27 of our favorite Monster Jam monster trucks compete on our 6-lane raceway. Now let's meet today's 3 teams. Team Stella, Team Andrew, Team Dad. If you enjoyed this video, please consider helping us by subscribing to our channel. Now let's find out who wins today's race. Round 1.
First race, so Stella has got Sparkle Smash, Andrew has got Lucas Oil Stabilizer.
Yeah, from this series?
From the Series 29, and then Dada's truck is Lumberjack. Go! Oh, Stabilizer wins, Lucas Oil Stabilizer. Race 2, Stella has got Monster Mutt Poodle. Andrew has got Axe from Series 29. And Dada has got Wolf's Head. Andrew, your pole. Oh, Axe wins!
Yes!
Race 3, Stella has got Galaxy Dragon, Andrew has got Ice Alien Invasion,
Yep.
and Dad has Batman. Go. Ice Alien Invasion wins. Here comes Dragon. Our fourth race in round 1, Stella has got Earth Horsepower, Andrew has got Fire Whiplash,
Yep.
and Dad has Big Kahuna. Go! Oh, Fire Whiplash wins.
Yes!
Okay, Andrew is up 4-0 on us, Stells. We gotta try to win something. Our next race, Stella has got the Series 29 Glaze Machine. Yeah, you got the food truck. Dada has got Fire Rescue from Series 30, and Andrew has the Earth Bakugan Dragonoid. Go! Stells wins. So round 1, race 6, Stella has got Zombie Monster Mutt. Dad's truck is Carnage Asada Monster Truck from Series 30, and Andrew has got Team Surf Aqua Stallion. Go. It is, and it wins. Race 7, Stella's got Calavera, Dad has got Blacked Out Max D, and Andrew has got Ride Truck Gravedigger. Go. Blacked Out Max D wins. Race 8 of round 1. Stella has got Bakugan Dragonoid, Dad has got Thunderbus, and Andrew has got Alien Invasion. Go. Sure. Thunderbus is gonna take that. Race 9 of round 1. Stella has got a Fire Zombie, Dad has got an Inverse Yeti, and Andrew has Wildflower. Go. Fire Zombie win. Got 9 trucks left. Team Dad has got 3 trucks. Team Stella's got 2 trucks. Team Andrew has got 4 trucks.
Round 2.
Round 2, race 1, we're gonna start. Stella has got Glaze Machine. Dad's got Blacked Out Max D. And Andrew's got Lucas Oil Stabilizer. Go. Blacked Out Max D wins. Round 2, race 2. Stella's got Fire Zombie, Dad's got Thunderbus, and Andrew's got Axe. Go. Whoa, Axe wins. That was close. Race 3 of round 2. We've got 2 trucks from Andrew's team. We've got Fire Whiplash and Ice Alien Invasion. And Team Dad has got Carnage Asada. So go. Ice Alien Invasion wins.
Yes.
Finals.
We're in our finals. We have 3 trucks left. Andrew has got Ice Alien Invasion and Axe. Team Dad has got Blacked Out Max D. We're gonna keep racing these trucks and switching lanes until one of the trucks wins 2. Race 1, let's go. Axe wins the first one. Race 2, Axe has got 1 victory, the other 2 trucks have got none. Go. Axe Axe wins.
X from Team Andrew is today's champion. Bonus race.
Okay, it's a bonus race that Andrew has been wanting to run. We've got some new Series 29 trucks, and these are his favorites of the series.
Yep.
So we got Lucas Oil Stabilizer, Axe, and Glaze Machine. Go. Axe wins again. Did you have fun today?
Yeah.
You want to say bye?
Bye.